What's going on, guys, and happy Monday to each and every one of you. If you're not already, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell, so every time I push out new videos to you guys gonna be the first one to be notified. Now, give this video a like or a thumbs up. It's gonna help with the YouTube algorithm of getting my video out there to the masses for each and every one for you to see around the world. And you know I have to throw out that disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is no financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a simple guy on YouTube, just showing you my journey on how I'm making passive income and helping others to do the same. So let's get right into it, guys. Monday we did very good today. Today we did, let's check it right here, we did $24.17. Okay, and let me pull up the profits today. Today we did phenomenal today on the Miami property at 0.36%, the Venetia Villa 0.28, apartments 0.44, Lake House, and all the properties right below it. Okay, and it's very consistent. I've been a part of this amazing journey since October of 2025, and here we are in the month of August. We are making things happen, guys, right? We are sharing the opportunity. I love the opportunity sector to this, okay? And also too, if you're not a person that don't like to share, it's okay. You still make money as well, all right? Now, if you want to learn more on how you can own a fractional share of a real hard asset like real estate, on what we have here in e-estate, all right, make sure you guys go to the link in the description. When you click on the link, you will need to put in your name and email, all right, a valid name and a valid email. The reason why is that if you don't put a valid email or name, it's not going to bring you to the secondary page, because you have to verify your information. So once you verify your email in your inbox, check your spam, check your inbox, and then from there, once you verify, it's going to bring you to the secondary page. And the first video is going to be the overview video, all right? It's less than 15 minutes, guys. I highly recommend watch it at least 2 to 3 times. Why 2 to 3 times? 2 to 3 times is going to resonate on how of the opportunity. It's going to break everything down. You're going to understand fully. It's going to give you a clear picture on how e-estate works, okay, when you watch it 2 to 3 times, all right? And then there's going to be other videos right below the overview video, all right? It's going to be the onboarding process, what exchange to use. You can get started for as low as $10 upwards to $250,000 or more, all right? So let me show you the performance of my assets, right? I like to be very transparent, guys, all right? I have a total investment of $4,917.71. All right, guys, look at this. Pay attention to this number. Withdrawals, I found this in the e-wallet section. I found it, right? I've withdrawn $4,291.66 in withdrawals, guys. That is huge. While I have my main principal of my money, okay, of my money working for me, okay, working for me while I'm sleeping, while I'm doing other things, right? My assets, right? I've withdrawn well over $4,000 out of the system, and I have my money still making more money. Okay, let that sink in. If you was to put your money in the banking system, the average you'll get 1% a year or less. Okay, I've already earned thousands of dollars with e-estate, okay, on autopilot, and I'm going to continue to be a blessing to others, because you know how many people needs something like e-estate. Because remember, guys, just to invest in real estate, guys, you got to have a lot of money. right? You got to be a credit investor. Over in e-estate, we don't discriminate. You don't have to be a credit investor, right? You can get started for as low as $10 and position yourself, but don't let $10 just be your one-stop shop, right? You can always add money on a weekly basis, daily basis, depending on your budget, because the ultimate goal is this, guys. You want to be able to build long-term generational wealth for you and your family. Okay, of this opportunity, God forbid, of a family member to pass on or anything of that sort, they will the business to whoever's on that will, to them. They'll have full control of their money. That's the power I love about e-estate, right? It's affordable. You can get started for a small amount of money, right? And you have a real hard asset making you money on a consistent basis, guys. Oh, another thing I want to mention is this, guys. When you're creating your account, I will highly recommend get your account funded right away, the same day, right? This is the reason why I want you guys to go through all the videos of everything before signing up. Now, make sure you have your funds ready to go. Don't just sign up and just leave your account dormant, because here's the thing, guys. If you don't fund your account, right, within a 3-week span, if you don't fund your account will be deleted, okay? And you have to recreate the whole process, new email, all of that stuff. You don't want to have to go through that headache, guys. The main thing is, when you decide to be a part of this amazing journey in e-estate, make sure you're ready to deposit money into your account so you can have money working for you, okay? Don't just have your account, just sign up and that's it. You expect money to come out of the sky. No, it doesn't work like that, guys. So make sure you do that. Make sure, guys, set up your 2-factor authenticator. Make sure you write down your password. I cannot stress that enough. Write down your passwords, okay? Keep that secure. Keep it in a notepad. However you want to do it, keep it safe, guys. Do not share your details with no one, all right? So we're going to take a look at some properties as well. And they just added, they just added a recent property, Venetia property, right? Not too long ago, right? They're going to be adding a new property coming soon. Another villa is coming onto the platform. So the ultimate goal is this for e-estate, is to have a total of 5 new properties before 2026 is over. Now they already knocked down one new Venetia property that is located in Miami. Okay, that's the second property that is located in Miami. So what I was gonna say, yeah, so make sure decide what properties suits you best. Okay, I can't make that decision for you. All right, and also too, you guys can reach out to me at any time if you have any questions or concerns. Make sure you reach out to me. Join my free Telegram group as well. All right, and we also have live Zoom events, Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you're more than welcome to join the live Zoom. All right, I'll post that inside my group community. All right, if you wanna see it live, right? If you cannot make it those 2 days, this is the reason why I have the link in the description. So whenever you have the time, you can watch the 15-minute video and it'll give you a full breakdown on how e-estate works and how e-estate can be beneficial for you and your family, and building long-term generational wealth. Okay, very, very simple, easy to understand. So this is the new property they just added onto the platform. All right, where is it at? Let me see. The Venetia property, where are you? Venetia property. All right, here it goes. All right, let me go to the property section here, and we go to real estate, and then I go to the Venetia property. All right, so look how beautiful this property is, guys. Beautiful view, right in Miami, right on the water. Okay, just imagine waking up to that every single morning. On it's a beautiful thing. Beautiful. Look at this. Gorgeous property. Look at this. Waking up to this breakfast right here. Oh man, this is beautiful, guys. Beautiful view. And this is the journey I'm on, guys, because I love real estate. I love to have assets to work for me, because remember, there's a famous quote Warren Buffett always say is, if you don't have money working for you while you sleep, you will work until you die. Because remember, the job you on, if you're working at a job right now, you're stuck at your 9-to-5 job, this is your way out of your situation. If you're struggling financially, if you're broke, if you're looking for a way out and you want to earn extra cash flow, extra passive income, this is where it is live right now, and that is e-estate. So you want to position yourself right now, guys, make sure you go to the link in the description right now. Click the link and put in your name and email. Okay, once you do that, then it's going to bring to the secondary page. After verifying your information, verifying your email, and just watching from the overview videos, less than 15 minutes, and all the videos below it. All right, and you'll be good to go. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video to the very end. Don't forget to follow me, like, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.